Hello. In this short video, I want to talk about the latest release of the Cake.Recipe Visual Studio Code extension and what's been included within that. So in this release, there wasn't really much added in terms of new functionality. There's been a couple of housekeeping changes being made. The first is that the repository itself on GitHub is no longer being housed under my GEP13 profile. Instead, I've moved it into this GEP13 OSS organization. This is really just to make it easier to add any contributors who want to be helping out with the project. So it's really a mechanism to allow that. The second one is that I've switched to using a chocolatey package extension for packaging up the VSCode extension that's in this repository. So rather than having scripts duplicated in multiple packages, I'm using an extension package that was created by a community member that handles all of that work for me. So I can take a dependency on that and just make use of those scripts directly rather than having them within my package here. And that's about it. I mean, in terms of new functionality, it kind of does what it does at the minute. So there's no immediate plans for adding anything else, but if there is, definitely feel free to reach out. You can get me on the links in the video here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.